Hi everyone, since Diwali is just around the corner, wishing you and your family a very happy, bright, positive and prosperous Diwali. I created this glamorous makeup look that you can wear this festive season. I love getting ready for Indian festivals, putting on Indian ethnic clothes, jewelry and getting that desi vibe. I totally love it. And Diwali has to be my favorite. With so much colors and lights around, everything is so bright, happy and positive. I totally love the season. So to know how I created this look, keep on watching. I'm starting with priming my face using the Benefit Professional. It covers up my pores and sets a smooth base for my makeup to go on smoothly and give my face an even texture. I'm applying this on my entire T-zone. For my foundation, I'm mixing these two to get the closest shade to my skin tone. They give me full coverage and being matte does not make my skin look oily. Since most of us would be going to Diwali parties or host one, meeting our friends and family is never a short event. So I want my base to last super long. To conceal and brighten up my face, I'm using this concealer from Wet n Wild. It has yellow undertones and instantly covers my dark circles and brightens up my face, providing full coverage and does not crease easily. I'm applying this around my eyes, my forehead and my chin to brighten up these areas. Make sure that you blend in your concealer really well, leaving no harsh lines or patches. All the products would be mentioned in the description box. I will be using this compact to set my entire face, taking it on a big fluffy brush and dusting it all over my face, especially emphasizing on areas where I had concealer on. For my brows, I'll be using this pencil from Faces Canada. Using the spoolie end, I am combing through my brows, and using the pencil, I am first defining the outline of my brows and then I would be filling them in. And using the spoolie end, I am blending in the harsh edges. This pencil is very waxy and pigmented and ensures my brows stay in place. For my eyes, I would be using this gorgeous palette from Makeup Revolution, taking the golden shade Mode and putting it all over my lid. Since this look is very beginner friendly, I won't be playing with a lot of colors but just keeping the basics, and golden is one such shade that goes with everything. Using a fluffy brush, I'm blending in the harsh edges. Adding the shade Buff to my outer corners. As it is slightly darker, it would help adding depth to my eyes, also slightly defining my outer corner. Taking a clean fluffy brush and blending in all the harsh edges. As I'm wearing a pink outfit, I'm taking the shade Trals on my lower lash line and making sure I blend it in really well. You can pick any color as per your outfit for your lower lash line. Using the shade Bias to highlight my brow bone just below the arc of my brow and the inner corners of my eyes. Using a gel liner from Maybelline to draw my wing liner today. Starting from the inner corners of my eyes and drawing short strokes towards the outer corner. Drawing a wing and connecting to my liner like so. Just practice and you will be able to ace the perfect wing. Slightly extending my wing as I like it a bit longer and pulling it back to connect to my liner. This liner is absolutely matte and does not move until you take it off. Adding black kajal to my waterline, as any Indian look is incomplete without a kajal. Using this Blush, Bronze and Brighten palette from Makeup Revolution, taking the bronze shade and adding it to the hollows of my cheeks. Picking up the blush from the same palette and placing it right above my contour, slightly taking it towards my cheeks. Taking the shade Pure Gold from Nykaa's Glow Getter Highlighter, I am highlighting the tip and bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, the center of my forehead, on the higher points of my cheekbones, just above my eyebrow arc and my brow bone. For my lashes, I am using the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. It curls, lengthens and provides volume to my lashes, also using it for my lower lashes. You can leave it as it is or add falsies for extra drama. For my lips, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade The Rabbit. It's a bright metallic matte lip color and goes very well with my outfit. You can choose from a wide variety of metallic mattes available in the Indian market. And finally adding a bindi to complete my Indian ethnic look. And that's it. It's this easy to create this glamorous look which is so appropriate for this festive season. Keeping the eyes neutral shimmery, adding a winged liner, some falsies for drama, and a bright lip color is all you need. Hit the thumbs up if you liked this look and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you next week. Bye!